Muslims are safest in Uttar Pradesh, is what Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is claiming. It's a big statement that has come in from the top leader of the state. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath asserting on law and order. If Hindus are safe in Uttar Pradesh, so are members of the Muslim community. CM Yogi Adityanath's big remark on the Mathura faith fight as well, specifically with regard to the Krishna temple. Yogi Adityanath here says, hands have been tied on that with regard to a court order, else it would have been different. Remember, whether it's the Ayodhya Mandir that had to be built or with regard to the other historic sites, it's the legal aspect that is being approached. Here's what Yogi Adityanath has said about Muslims are safest in Uttar Pradesh.
राज्य में क्या मुसलमान सुरक्षित है?
उत्तर प्रदेश में मुसलमान सबसे ज्यादा सुरक्षित है, सबसे ज्यादा सुरक्षित है। अगर हिंदू सुरक्षित है तो वह भी सुरक्षित है।
So that's a very interesting comment that has come in. I want to immediately bring in Samarth Srivastav for the latest on that. Samarth, in this conversation with ANI, very clear when he says that if Hindus are safe, so are Muslims. Tell us more about this and the Mathura fight as well.
Well, exactly. That's what he said in a podcast with a news agency, CM Yogi Adityanath, when he was asked about the safety of Muslims in Uttar Pradesh, at least because we see opposition keeps on raising such questions, especially against the minorities or the Muslim community. To which CM Yogi Adityanath replied and said that in Uttar Pradesh, Muslims are the safest. If Hindus are safe, then Muslims are also safe. So CM is trying to refer that if one community is safe, then it's very obvious that another community will also remain safe. And CM with his statement tries to maintain a balance and trying to say that there is no dominance or no partiality with any community or caste in Uttar Pradesh. And if Hindus are safe, then Muslims are safe. So the Samajwadi Party leaders or the Congress leaders keep on saying that yes, minorities and especially Muslims are facing bad in the Yogi Adityanath tenure. But CM Yogi Adityanath clearly denying all these facts and calling it just a rumor and saying that yes, both Hindus and Muslims are safe in Uttar Pradesh.
Samar, thank you for now. Let's listen in again to what did UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath say to the charge about are Muslims safe in Uttar Pradesh?
आपके राज्य में क्या मुसलमान सुरक्षित है?
उत्तर प्रदेश में मुसलमान सबसे ज्यादा सुरक्षित है, सबसे ज्यादा सुरक्षित है। अगर हिंदू सुरक्षित है तो वह भी सुरक्षित है।
आपके राज्य में क्या मुसलमान सुरक्षित है?
उत्तर प्रदेश में मुसलमान सबसे ज्यादा सुरक्षित है, सबसे ज्यादा सुरक्षित है।